Good afternoon. Today, I would like to talk about effective property of periodic laminated centrosymmetric micropolar composite with non-uniform imperfect contact conditions. It is a joint work together with Professor Victor Llanes from Polytechnical of Madrid, Joan Espinosa Cesar Sanchez, Héctor Camacho from University of Juárez, Autónoma University of Juárez, together with José Antonio Otero from Technological of Monterrey, Campus Estado de México, and together with Professor Sabina from IMAS University of UNAM. This is related to micropolar. This is the fundamental equations that we will consider, where we have involved also the micro rotations. This is the equilibrium equation, constitutive relation. Notice that C, B, and D are tensors of four-order tensors, which are related to the materials properties. We consider layers, laminated composite made up of different layers perpendicular to Y3, and observe here the interface conditions, which is the red line. Then, in order to study that, we applied asymptotic homogenization method. To scale, we introduce a small parameter epsilon, and as a consequence of the asymptotic homogenization process, we have two local problems which involve the functions n and m, and this is the coefficients C and D for the heterogeneous structures, and this is the effective elastic model given here, which is the average properties depending on the imperfect parameters K and Q. We consider two-phase isotropic materials, two layers isotropic. This is the material parameters, Young modulus, Poisson ratio, torsional modulus, and micropolar twist Poisson ratios. And for study that, we consider a set of imperfect parameters K1, 2, 3, 4, Q1, 2, 3, 4, represented by S1, S4, T1, T4, and the remaining particulars parameters used for the numerical calculations are here, and it is the main and important results. This is the stiffness, C, let's say, as one of representative of all the remaining stiffness coefficients, and the torque, T1, D2, and so on. In general, we can say that we have applied asymptotic homogenization for micropolar elasticity, linear theory, and we study periodic laminated centrosymmetric composite with isotropic constituents, and the numerical results are presented and discussed for the effective stiffness and torque model with non-uniform imperfect adhesion. Thank you for your attention.